Alright, tubers. This will be the last video I make on the chicken house. Got the boss here. That's the big boss there, I think. He got longer legs. That one's pretty thick too. But yeah, we're hooking her up. As you can see, I bought white silicone instead of clear. But I mean, it's ugly, but it's waterproof. She's good to go. Pudding's putting some straw in there now. Just giving y'all a good little look-see at it. I didn't have no angle made. I found some stuff that we'd brought home. Aluminum was enough of it to where we could go around the corners of that. That looks a lot better than that strap I had on there. And here's one of my hen boxes. Just finished making it probably 15 minutes ago. But yeah, Pudding's throwing the straw to it. Yep. There's my roost I put over there. Let them roost on that side of it anyway. Today's the 29th, the day after Thanksgiving. Tonight we're supposed to get down below freezing. I think we're supposed to get down maybe 26, 24 tonight. So we got out here, and after lunch, I mean, we was late getting started, but we got out here and hustled on it, trying to get it all finished up. But like I said, this will probably be my last video on the chicken house. I mean, it's pretty much done. The only other thing that I haven't done yet is I've got some more of this trim on the way, so we can, kill these corners. That way us or the kids don't come over here and cut her arm off or whatever. But yeah, I hope it lasts a good while. Like I said, these are all young ones. This is their first winter. So y'all just got fed. But anyway, I was going to throw this on y'all. We're getting her ready, getting her set up. That way maybe they'll decide to come on in here tonight. I don't know. At least they'll stay warmer in here than they will out there on that. Of course, they laying eggs now. I think we got, what, 3, 4 eggs now?
4, I think.
4. So now they've got these nesting boxes. They can do their business in private. You ready for that other one, or?
I gotta get out before I do.
Well,
I'm trying to do something.
Okay. Well, I didn't know what you was doing. I mean, if you ain't got to use it all in there, you can save some for the dog. Well, at least it stayed dry. Lord have mercy. They'll get in here in this straw and get to rooting around. They won't come out tomorrow. Oh, Lord. I didn't get rid of all them screws sticking through right there.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know about that?
I just seen it. That's
Yeah.
what I was looking at.
Yeah.
That's why I was still in there.
We'll have to take care of that tomorrow. We'll wait till it warms back up. It's too late in the day now. Yeah, like I said, we was trying to hustle and get this done before dark, so we got her thrown together. Looks like I got a bunch of screws there that come through. I'll have to get the grinder in there and cut them down.
Yeah, no straw.
It's all right. Stop, drop, and roll.
Yeah.
Well, I hope they're happy. I think she turned out pretty good. You can go ahead and drop a top on it if you can, one-handed. Oh, you're loud, ain't you, boss man? Tell me about it. All right. Okay. All right, Tubers, I'm gonna let y'all have it back. Giving y'all the last of it for the chicken house anyway. This will be the last part of it. At least they got a good place to go for the winter. I'm still debating on whether I want to put some tarps up around the edges of their fencing here, their little pen. The only downside to it is the door here. That right there is north. So north wind will be blowing right in here. So if I do, I hear you. So if I do put some tarps up there, then it's just gonna catch that north wind. But we'll see how it goes. If we have a bad winter, I might do something for them. If it looks like we're gonna be mild, I won't. It won't take an hour to put said tarps up on that, block wind off of them. All right, tubers, I'm gonna let y'all have it back. Thank you.